Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you very much for clicking on my video for the very first time. My name is Nancy. Thank you for doing that. And if you've not subscribed yet, please make sure you hit that red bell down there that before you leave this video that says subscribe. Thank you very much for doing that. And also, for those of you that has already subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. I appreciate you guys. God bless you. So guys, I have something that I would like to share with you people. Yes, yesterday I buy this jacket. It's like sweater or three-quarter jacket, not too long, not too short. As you can see in the length, it is not a normal length of a jacket, you know. Very pretty, very nice. So when I got this jacket yesterday, actually when I saw it, it looks very big, very oversized. I felt that this one now, you know, advanced women they wear, so this one not be my style. But at the end of the day, when I try am on, I just see it did very nice on me, and I just love the way it looks on me. As you can see, you get this three-quarter hand. The hand is not just too long, not too short, but very wide. So it's just this kind of oversized coat that you can put on a very thick sweater or put on top of your jacket if possible. So it has this V-neck, you know, these two big pockets by the side, and these two giant belts. And the belt is made of leather and gold. That is the perfect details for this cloth. That is one of the ways make me buy and save. Maybe this particular detail where this coat gets. But at the same time, when I wear it, when I just try it on, it looks very nice on me. That is why I just let me buy it. And as if you can look at it very well, you see say the price not be just that normal shop price where we always say. You can see the price. It is it's 50 euro. I hope okay, you can see that it's 50. And this one a jacket where we say at least if you want to buy them new in a shop, you are going to be paying at least 300 euro. That should be the worth of this jacket if I'm not mistaken. And this one is Michael Kors, and it's a size M. So like this jacket, the jacket on its own are just oversized on you because I'm M. So but it just looks very big. So why am I sharing this video with you guys is that yesterday when I buy this jacket, I just felt let me buy it now, since I see the thing they okay for my body. It was not like this yesterday when I buy them. Absolutely no. I got it in the second-hand shop. It was not, you can see their ticket, their tag. It was not like this yesterday when I bought it. It was looking very rough, very you know, that is the whole thing just be like just get all these small balls around or everywhere. So just like all those white, you know, all this lana, the way they say they, if you don't do they wear and you come there say you come they get as they be somehow. So let me show you guys the way the outside was. In fact, the outside was even worse than the inside yesterday when I bought it. But the front of it, I used this. I don't know what it is called in English, but in Italian language it's called tira pelucchi. So you can get this one in any kind of shop, like a smell, like a what is it called, like a IKEA. You can get this almost any kind of shop, even Chinese shop also. They also sell it, and I think it costs less than 10 euro. It has this just only this one button. When you push and the thing will make noise like this. Inside this space where you see, so like say get razor, so say they trim all those, you know, excess wool where don't like they don't consume. So and it has 2 battery inside. So it's just something very simple to use, very small, very fast to use. So this is what I use to make sure say I peel off all the excess wool where blessed don't they consume out of this coat. Let me show you guys the way this coat was yesterday. The outside, because the outside, you know, that is the front, the other day worse than the inside, like I said before. But since I have already done it, and look at what I was able to pull out of this wool. You see, all this one the excess wool where blessed don't they consume, don't they turn to, don't they roll. It make this jacket they very rough and old. Now this thing I take remove am yesterday. Just on and take until they pass am. Press and small, take until they pass and slowly. Press and slowly at the same time. Small, just take my time. So everything will enter inside this small plastic container. So now so I fit to remove all the small something like rough wool, all the small ball, different if it was was like white. So this was what I get yesterday. I spent I think 10 minutes doing it. No, 15 minutes to 10 minutes. That was what I spent yesterday, and this is what I was able to pull out of this coat. And at the same time, the coat can't get this look. You see, and so it can't get this perfect, neat, clean, new look. Just take a very look at it. You see, the thing not even rough again at all for the outside. So I'm going to show you the inside, because I never do the inside. Make you see the difference between the outside and the inside, and knowing fully well that the outside is always worse. So you can let me perfectly okay with this light now. That is, it is just as good as brand new one. Very very, that is, I'm just so happy at the end of the day that I got it, because I knew that if I buy am, I know say I will fit use this my small machine to renew and to make am look nice. I know that was why I said let me just buy it, and knowing that this coat na something wey be say worth much more than 50 euros. Seeing it, I just okay, let me buy it. So sometimes I tend buying maybe like some second-hand clothes sometimes, because I be the type of person, I dey always dey buy, I dey mostly dey buy clothes every time. So but when I just enter, if I see before I dey buy, it must be something very very nice, something well made, something with high quality, and something when I know say yes, it's worth times 3 of times, if not times 4 of what I'm paying at that moment, and at the same time it's going to look a little bit new. So I dey mostly dey buy some second-hand clothes sometimes, because sometimes if you want to dey buy, I discover that buying expensive clothes sometimes, most times, it doesn't, to me personally, e no really worth all that money to dey take dey buy clothes. Because number one, if you wan look all these expensive clothes, I'm talking about myself, all my expensive clothes, that is compared to the wear when I get out of this, all this my expensive clothes, I would just say it is a waste of money for me to dey buy clothes wey be say too dey expensive, because I get to wear them very less. And number two, you know, I know that is my taste of how I dress sometimes, it dey change. So maybe my taste don change from when I buy that clothes. At the same time, especially I spend big money on that clothes, I no come like to dey wear am again. Just be like say I just buy and spend the money for nothing. But if it were to be shoe or handbag, I prefer to dey spend my money more on these things instead of clothes. At the same time, I still get to get nice and good quality clothes, but not too expensive, but at least moderate price, and sometimes even cheap price. Who cares? The important be say dey okay with you, and you get other many, you know, many good looking clothes. Let me say they mix everything up, because at the end of the day, you don't get to wear the same clothes. You are always changing. So in case you are hearing it from me, sometimes I do shop in the second-hand shop. Yes, not be crime, nothing bad in it. They don't even dash me. I also paid money. Just that what this coat worth, I paid at least, I believe 15-20%. So at least to me, it's a very nice deal. So just take a very good look at it. And this is the SS wool, like I said before, the one wey say don't consume and make am look old and dirty and all. See am, you dey see am so. When I use that my small machine to remove yesterday, so just take a look at the way this coat look now. It's looking very very clean, neat and new. Let me show you the inside, how inside look, so that you can understand where this coat is coming from, how I fit to make am be the way it be. So let's see the inside, how inside looks. And don't forget that, you know, say the outside of it, they always a rough pass inside, because you know it is normal. So the outside of this coat, so this is how the outside of it look. I don't know if you're seeing it very very well. You see how this coat look before. This one is before. It was even worse than the outside. The outside of it, the front of it was even worse than the inside. So but anyway, it looks like this coat. You see the way this coat look before when I buy am. This na so it be when I buy am. Na so it just be. Very very rough. You can see, in fact, if you see this kind of thing, one thing where be one make me know buy this thing, be say the thing, it was just too rough. But knowing that I can make it become more, at least much more better and new than the way it was, I just okay, let me just buy them. So this is what I use. Like I said before, you just have this small white stuff like that. You just have only one button, just press am, it will make noise. Then the blade where they inside it, the blade can just see the follow and go dey trim all these small things where be like ball, all these small wool be like say don't consume. Now they make the thing, they look very old. This is how this my coat look before. This is the before, if not even worse. That this is the before, because I've not done the inside, I've not cleaned the inside, just the outside. So this is the before. You see, and so this is the before. This is the before. Like I said before, this is the wool that I was able, all the ones where we say I just clean, chop out with my small machine. See, now so I did this tissue, so you can see how rough and dirty and bad this coat was looking. But I was able to use my small sense and make am become very very new. In fact, if I tell you say I buy this coat for second hand, you won't even if I not tell you, you won't even believe it. If I won't tell you, I believe say you no go even believe sef, because it looks too new to be second hand stuff. Let me show you again the outside, the outcome of how I was able to make it look new, clean it. Guys, just take a very good look at this. There is no single complaint, no single bulbs, no single wool like I say don't consume, they make and they look bad. Absolutely no. So the price I paid for was 50 euro. At least the essence of this video is that sometimes it's not all about buying new clothes. Yes, buying new clothes sometimes is good, yes, but sometimes if you can use small sense join the way you shop, I believe say you can still get high quality of clothes or jacket, whatever may be, high quality. If you can apply small wisdom, know all these small trick, that cloth where be say you buy for 20, maybe 20 or 10 euro, that is looking very old and dirty, you can as well make am look clean and neat and look as new as if say you just buy am newly. So this is what I did on this coat, and I also have another one that I want to show you guys. The same thing I did. This one too, I buy am for the same place when I for buy this Michael Kors own. This one at Pinko. So if you know this brand Pinko very well, you will know say their coats, anything from them like this, you are spending 200 euro, 250, 200, if not 300. Now so that is their price. They have a very high price. 250, 200, that is the price that this coat should be. Just to get almost the same hand where this first one gets, the same hand, the same the same hand where this one gets, and this one still gets. Just like can't get this belt for the neck, can't get this side zip like this, 2 pockets and another pocket for up, gets this kind of shoulder, very very nice, very very beautiful. Get this huge belt for back. That is, it looks very lovely on me and very very nice new. But the only thing when I discover say go make the person wey sell this coat sell am be say that is because of this belt wey I get for neck. I don't know if you guys have seen it. This belt wey I get for neck, this belt like this, is very nice. It looks chic, but it dey always disturb me for neck. If I wear am, they always feel say because the belt dey very strong, not soft at all. I always feel am say something dey disturb me for neck. I just go make the person wey sell am because this coat is as good as new. The same thing, it was also like this before, but not as much. But it was also like this before. I also use this same my machine. Make sure say I not pick all the rough wool where they on top, all the rough ones where they make and they look old. I use this same machine to pick out everything, and at the same time it becomes as good as new. You won't believe that if I tell you the price of this coat, I bought this 1 month ago, so I don't even have the price. If not, next time if I want to do video like this, I will make sure say I give the price, so that at least when I will still see the price, not just me saying it without showing it to you guys. This coat cost me 26 euro. God bear me witness, I'm not lying. The price of this coat is 26 euro, believe it or not. That was what I spent on it. You see as a biso. You see, I'm 26 euro, and this is something that you spend 250. For Pinko, 250, at least 250. Now be this the price of this coat, because I know their shop, I know their brand. I dey branch there sometimes, not too far from my house, for center of my city. So I spent 26 euro on this, and I use my machine to make am become new. Okay, this one too, the same thing I did. So guys, I just say let me share this my video with you. I just hope that you like this video and the video makes sense to you. To me, I'm happy that I was able to get things like this, very very beautiful and look nice on me, look expensive, but at the same time spend nothing irrespective of the real price. So thank you very much for clicking on my video, and if you're doing that, don't forget to hit that red button that says subscribe. When you do, make sure you also hit the notification bell. I don't even dress well. I just get my jumper, or if not, I would have tried it on. If you would like to see them on me, how it looks, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely do a try on for you guys. Thank you very very much. God bless you. I will definitely do a try on, but let me know if you would like to see a video like that. Thank you very much for watching. Stay blessed. See you. So the essence of this video sometimes is that sometimes it is also good to shop in second-hand shops. If it may be clothes or what, anything, it may be anything. Sometimes if you can take your time and go through all the clothes that they have, if not all, you can still get nice new good pieces, or maybe pieces where you go fit add, use your sense, still do one or two things to make am become as good as new. So thank you very much. This is the before, at least that is the inside. You see how rough it looks, and you can even tell the difference. Seeing it like this, if you can tell the difference, the before and now. And this is what I was able to bring out of this coat. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Thank you. Ciao. Bye bye.